Oh guys, I did not teleport back home. Happy Monday. What the heck am I listening to? I have a Saturday video. Okay? Don't fear. I left my GoPro at home, or in the Fireball whenever I dropped it off, and honestly the video just wouldn't have made sense without the GoPro footage. Or at least it wasn't worth the crap, because that's what half my footage was GoPro. So we are going down to get Billy's truck, the old green truck, and we're gonna go deliver our rock, and then reload my trailer, and then Billy's gonna run my trailer up. Got too much crap in my driveway. Alright, green sucker. Start up and let's go to work. What tarnation, Billy? You gotta be kidding me. You can't be listening to this crap. And there's Mac. Gotta grab a thing or two out of Fireball here. Sorry about your floor, Billy. Yeah, come on. Thing is noisy. Got what I want to do with my chains. It's snowing. made it back. Oh, man. Billy's going to deliver this load up in Chicago. I guess bring my trailer back. Fireball is still sitting outside at the shop, so I don't know when they're going to get that in. I got to go to the doctor after a week of dealing with swollen jaw and all that. I think it's a wisdom tooth, but there's definitely an infection. My wife's like, I can smell it in your breath. I'm like, well, okay. I mean, I just brushed my teeth and Listerine and all that. And she said, I can smell it. And, you know, I will say I typically don't take good care of my teeth, but I've been brushing like 2 or 3 times a day for the past week. So, plus using Listerine on top of that. So, breath shouldn't smell bad. But you can definitely tell, you know, when it's swollen up, there's something going on. So, we're going to finally go get it looked at. Probably have to end up at the dentist getting a tooth pulled, but I always believe that God gave it to me. I probably need it, but I almost feel dumb for keeping this wisdom tooth, you know. I actually got 3 of them. I got 2 on the upper top and 1 over here. I don't know if they made me smarter or dumber or what, but I know when I can't sleep at night, Clint's not happy. So we're done until we go back to work, I guess. So y'all stay safe. God bless you. We're going to have a Saturday video out after this one. Just had to get my GoPro. It just wouldn't have made sense without it.